Hello and welcome to CloudFox Hub. My name is Bhavesh Atara and you are learning Elastic Container Service. Now, you know that what is task and what is service. If I want to test my application, I will create task. And if I want to run my application in production, I will set up service. Now, if you want to set up service, you have to go to this services tab and then you need to click on create. Now, when we are going to set up service, we have so many options available as well. We need to understand all these options step by step, and in this video I'm going to explain you some of the options. So let's start. First of all, when I'm going to set up service, the first tab we are getting is actually service details. It is actually same as we have in the task. We already created tasks and we understood this service details in tasks. So it is same. So not going to explain you more about it. Yeah, we need to select our task definition here. We need to select task definition revision number as well. We can use same task definition for task or service. So I'm going to choose this. Here we need to provide service name. So I'm going to provide name like web. The second option we have is environment. We already discussed about environment during our task creation. So in the task we have environment tab, in the service we have environment tab. It is same, there is no difference. So I'm not going to repeat this, right? If you don't have idea, you can watch previous videos of task creation. You will get all these options, right? Then the new option that we are getting over here is actually deployment configuration. So we are going to start with deployment configuration in this video. In the deployment configuration, with the first option we have is replica. You specify the number of tasks you want and ECS keeps exactly that many running. See, when you select this replica option here, we need to choose desired task. So what I am saying over here, let's say that I want 4 tasks running at all the time. So in any case, if any task goes down, ECS will recreate this. In short, I will get 4 tasks running at all the time. Okay. Here we have another option known as daemon. What is this? Let me explain you. ECS automatically runs 1 task per EC2 instance, similar to Kubernetes daemon set. As you know that in our ECS cluster, we can add 2 kind of infrastructure. One, Fargate, or we can use EC2 instance as a container host as well. Now, this option is only applicable if you have EC2 instance as a container host. Right now we don't have, we are actually working on Fargate. That's why this option is actually grayed out. But let me explain you the use case. Let's say that if I have 4 EC2 instances as a container host, if I'm going to choose this particular option, daemon, it is going to create 1 task per container host or per EC2 instance automatically. Let's say that if I have 10 EC2 instance in my ECS cluster, it is going to create 10 tasks per EC2 instance or per container host. 1 task will be created automatically, right? Because I don't have EC2, it is grayed out. So now you have idea about it, but because it is grayed out, I'm not able to provide you more detail about it. Okay. Then we have availability zone rebalancing. When your service is running in more than 1 availability zone, ECS tries to keep equal number of tasks in each AZ. It is automatic, right? It is going to balance each availability zone. So for example, if I have total 4 desired tasks, 2 tasks will run in AP South 1A and 2 tasks will run in AP South 1B. During our service creation, we have to choose VPC option and we have to choose availability zone. So let's say that if I have choose 2 availability zone, 2 tasks will run in 1 availability zone, AP South 1A, and another 2 tasks will run in AP South 1B. Right? It is actually balancing by default. Now imagine AP South 1B goes down, right? For some reason, for any technical reason, it AP South 1B goes down. ECS must keep 4 running tasks. So it puts all 4 tasks in AP South 1A because that's the only healthy AZ. I have only 2 AZ selected. And if one goes down, and I said that I want 4 tasks running at all the time. So what it will do? It will run all the 4 tasks in AP South 1A. Running all the tasks in one availability zone is not right choice at all. It is not good practice as well. But now, because we don't have this AP South 1B available, we have to run all this, right? Now, here we have main thing. Later, AP South 1B become healthy again. Okay. Now, AP South 1B is healthy. But my all 4 tasks are actually running in AP South 1A. Okay. At this point, availability zone rebalancing automatically starts moving tasks back so that both AZ become balanced again 2-2. So if you have this option selected, when your AP South 1B will come back online, ECS will realize that there are all 4 tasks are actually running in AP South 1B, which is not best practice. So it will move 2 tasks again into the AP South 1B. If you have this particular option selected, turn on availability zone rebalancing. If you don't have this option selected, then all 4 tasks will run into the AP South 1A only, even if AP South 1B will come back. Like it is going to run unequal task into the availability zone, which is actually dangerous sometimes. So it is always good idea to choose availability zone rebalancing, which is going to rebalance automatically. Okay. Then we have this option health check grace period. Now I am going to explain you health check grace period properly, but before this I want you to understand health check. Okay. See, in any case, if I am saying that I want desired task 4, so ECS going to run 4 tasks for me at any given time. Okay. But the question over here is, what happens if your any one of the tasks goes down? How ECS will find out that this task is not working? So what is the idea? The idea is actually health check. So by default,
Sorry to interrupt you. I know you guys are enjoying our video a lot because our final ultimate goal is Solution Architect Certification exam. To reach the destination, we required full videos. Path number 1, our 6-in-1 program. Our 6-in-1 program include all prerequisite skills which is needed as a cloud engineer. It include 24/7 support, lifetime update, section-wise practice test, full course practice test with tips and tricks by Bhavesh Atara, how to do exam preparation course, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara, and 6 AWS project with documents. Path number 2, you can enroll by paying 499 and get Hindi and English, both the languages, videos of AWS. The choice is yours how to create your success story by choosing best one. Best of luck. Thank you.